morning everyone. My name is Arhan Dohadwala. I am 10 years old and today I would like to share and present about something that I am very passionate about. Not just me, but any other child or adult would be. And that is a sport. My favorite one, football. With Euro 2024 just concluding, it's been about a worldwide conversation and debates. Thus, I would like to begin with football, a sport that has taught me so much throughout the years. I began playing football once a week just as a hobby, but immediately took a liking towards it. When I began playing for my coaching club, like all other rookie footballers here, I wanted to be a striker because I thought that was the most important position at the time because goal scoring would bring me a lot of laurels. But as I continued playing under the mentorship of my two coaches, I realized my forte wasn't in attacking but in defending on account of my height. Though initially, heading the ball took me a long time to understand and using my body in the correct manner. However, with continuous training, playing daily matches and watching other players play helped me further understand my strengths and weaknesses. So we all know that playing a sport has various advantages and benefits. So let me share with you how football worked for me and how it helped me. Number 1, focus and determination. I have played over 100 league games in Mumbai and something that I have learned is to never give up. The game can change at any time. I clearly remember we were 3 down and the whole team had given up hope, including myself. But it was one of my teammates who kept believing and said, "We still stand a chance, don't give up, we can at least equalize." And in the last few minutes, we equalized and the match went to a draw. Number 2, teamwork. A team is bigger than an eye. The saying teamwork makes the dream work is very true. As kids, we all want to play for ourselves, to strike and score, and I can't say less about myself. But after going for many training sessions and playing daily matches, I realized it's always a we before an I. This further helped me understand the importance of an assist and a pass. I clearly remember how my sir congratulated me for the best assist that I gave in the game, and that helped us win the game. Number 3, spatial awareness. Spatial awareness is something that I've been struggling with for a while. On account of my height, this has been a further challenge for me. But playing football helped me become more aware of the spaces around me. Now I have a mental map of the field in my mind and I know the safe talking distance when talking to my fellow peers here and adults. And believe it or not, this even helped me with my art skills. I understood how to space out the drawing and to give it a neat and aesthetic look. So friends, if there's anything you're struggling with, I highly recommend playing a sport since that's the easiest way I know you can overcome it. Number 4, social interaction. As a child, I'm very shy and not the one who makes friends easily, but once I know the other children, it becomes fairly easy for me to interact with them. But to break the ice is a real concern. Post the pandemic, I shifted from one school to another, which was closer to my home, but then I realized I would have no friends here unlike my previous school. What was I gonna do? But playing football helped me bond with other players who were playing for the school team at the time, and I also helped my school team win a fair few amount of matches, which helped other students take notice of me and become my friends. So friends, if there's anything you're struggling with, playing a sport definitely comes in handy to break barriers and enhance social skills. So, whenever I don the school jersey or my coaching club jersey, nothing else matters apart from the game. Football as a sport has helped me feel at home, to develop a sense of belonging, and something to look forward to day in and day out. I must also share with you, I do physical training early in the morning. Waking up and reaching the ground at 6:55 a.m. on the weekends is not always easy. Then I have after-school training and post-school matches. So friends, all I'm trying to say is, football as a sport has helped me improve my focus, my determination, my purpose, and most importantly, my discipline. Now, I know it's weekend training. No one has to remind me. I'm up and about for it. I must also share with you, I balance my schoolwork with my play equally. So whenever I have a training session, practice session or match, I must ensure that my schoolwork doesn't suffer or get compromised. So friends, all in all, football has taught me FBDT. Focus, balance, determination and discipline, time management and teamwork. Now, moving from a physical sport, let me share with you all another favorite of mine, Lego. My fascination for Lego began when I was 5 years old because I could build small cars like a Lamborghini Huracan and a Dodge Viper. My craze for cars was so evident that even from a far distance, I could identify which car it was and its model by only looking at its headlights. I developed a love for Lego because I could build cars from scratch. As you can see in this photo, I really love cars. I built a peace symbol on World Peace Day using all my cars and even tried to add a little color scheme. Though initially, I would ask my dad to be there with me because the Lego sets and instruction manuals were very foreign to me. But then, I took up the challenge of building the Lego set all by myself. And whoosh, I failed terribly. I couldn't understand where the pieces go and the instruction manual was like 12th grade algebra to me at the time. Now this would get me very frustrated and angry, and I remember I was 60% done with the set, 60%, and I made a slight error, and because of my built up anger I destroyed the whole set. Then my parents came to my room and told me, Arhan, calm down, just breathe. So we all have our different emotions at times, and that's fine, but we don't address them at times, and that's where the problem lies. My parents in fact showed me this through an experiment. They made water piping hot and then asked me, can you see your face? So I obviously replied, no, I cannot. Then my mother told me, our mind is also such that when we're angry, it becomes boiling hot and we can't see or understand anything we do. But once the water cooled down, I could see my face. So for round 2 of building the set, I was much calmer and I built the set faster than ever. Now, my mother tells me to look at my 5 fingers. Then she tells me to smell the rose. Take a deep breath in. Come on, everybody do it with me. Now, blow the candles. Again, everyone do it with me. Because breathing in and breathing out helps me feel very relaxed. Since the past 3 years and the pandemic, I build Lego sets as per the instruction manual and then I dismantle them. I don't like building the same things over and over again because it gets very repetitive. Instead, I add it to my Lego box, which has pieces from over 40 different sets. Then, I build a Lego set without an instruction manual, but my wildest imagination. Some of the things that I've built are a jet, a mini plane, and a flying car. Then, I showcase it to my parents, which helps me become a confident speaker, and they give me feedback. Now, this helps me take in suggestions very positively. Here, have a look at this short video of me describing my jet.
Hello everyone, this is my fighter jet that is Christmas themed because it has so much color, and there are 3 features in this fighter jet and I'm going to tell you all of them. The first feature is the laser gourd gun. The laser gourd gun shoots out 100 lasers into a giant ball that releases on the enemy. And then the second feature is the rocket launcher times 600. So choose 600 rockets and the enemy can't dodge because the rockets go like the flash. It goes very fast. And the third feature is this orange button right here. When you click this button, these tires can go on any surface like air, water and underwater. So when it goes underwater, there are these water thrusters that I've made and there are boosters on there to make the speed a little higher. Thank you.
So friends, all in all, Lego has taught me to manage my emotions, to be focused, to be calm, to never give up, to share, to listen, and most importantly, be as creative as possible. In conclusion, knowledge and learning is all around. Each game or sport is a treasure we have found. So let's use it to our best and be a cut above the rest. Keep playing. keep learning. Thank you.